Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is the Inspiremercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson, and this week, students, we're going to continue talking about integration, but we're going to talk about integration through schedules. So we know that everybody has started classes, and basically what I'm asking you to do is to take your schedules and to integrate your schedule, meaning that you need to know what's going on from day to day. So what you're going to do is you have basically catalog what needs to happen each class. Now you got to make sure you understand what happens from day to day, and you integrate your schedule to make sure that you can complete things on time for the next day, okay? And you want to do that a few days in advance. So at NASA, what we do too is we do a lot of scheduling, and some of our schedules can go back as far as 10 years ago. And so one of the biggest things that I could tell you that's going on this year for 2021, the biggest launch to see is the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. That James Webb Space Telescope was supposed to launch in March, but will launch in October. Now, what makes this so important is that it replaces the Hubble telescope, but not just that, but it's the main components that make up that telescope, as far as the telescope itself, the sun shield, and the space bus. When you integrate all of these different components of the James Webb Space Telescope, we get into a lot of things that we're going to be able to do. This is a partnership that is on between the European Space Agency and NASA. So it's a partnership that's actually going to render this telescope as a satellite, and it's going to look at its destination is a great place. With us doing a lot of math this semester, and that its sweet spot destination is the Lagrange point. So there's a lot of things that I want to get in and understand, and so that you can understand when it comes to integration. Okay, so we're still focusing on integration. All right, today we're talking about what will be the launch for 2021, and that's what I want to make sure that you take part in. All right, so I want to thank you for going to Work with Gena this morning. If there's any infomercials that you've missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. Thank you.